Hey, how's it going? My name's Nathan, it's Road Masters. So today we got something very special. It's a trash can. I'm just kidding. So this is actually an air purifier by a company named Partu, and they reached out to me. They're like, hey, you want to review an air purifier? I'm like, sure, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so you can see that my box looks like any other box. Has all this information, colorful lights, has some low decibels. I believe it's like less than 30 decibels. Has 3 gear speeds. What is this? A sports car? Has a 3-speed automatic? I don't know. And then it covers up to 12 meters squared, which is what, 120, 160 feet squared? Who knows? My mathematics is absolutely terrible. Okay, here's a quick look at the box. Looks like this box has seen better days. Kids, don't try this at home. I'm a professional. Enough, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Okay. There's the instruction manual. Make sure you guys read that. It's very important. Nice foam insert. Get that out of it. There we go, the Partu Air Purifier. Okay, let's see. I think I already broke this thing. See, it's a mini trash can. My favorite sound in the world. I give that, did make a good sound. Wow. Oh, look at that. It's color changing lights. Very cool. I think that's the coolest feature is the color changing lights. Alright folks, I forgot to do one thing. Hold on. Make sure you take out this bag or it's not going to purify anything. Here's the 5-in-1 air filter. Very cool. Kind of looks like a giant filter for like a truck or something. Here's a quick look inside the unit. It's pretty simple. It just has a fan motor and then the filtration system. It looks like it can either go this way or this way. So just line up the tabs and just give it a quick twist. And you can hear that lock, you're good to go. Alright, here's a quick look at the interface. It's fairly simple. So up top here's your fan speeds. You can see that it's pretty quiet, even on like level 3. I think it goes up to like 48 decibels and it goes down to less than 25 decibels. So you can definitely sleep with this unit on. So over here's a power switch. Press it once to turn it off, press again to turn it on. Alright, so here's the light indicator. So right now it's off, so if I press it once, you can see that the light turned on. And we're now just in the 7-color changing mode. What you can do is you can actually wait until you find the desired color and press that LED light again. So now it's going to stay on blue. Really nice. So if you have a room that's completely blue, you can actually match it to your room. Very cool. Next we have the positive negative ion charges, which is really cool, helps minimize the static electricity. The last button is the filter reset button. So what happens is after around 8 months of use, the light will turn on and let you know that you need to change the filter. Just go ahead and press that and it resets the filter for you. Okay, that was just a quick look at the interface. Let's go ahead and just do a quick spin around here. I'm going to go ahead and test this in my house for about a week or so, and I'll let you know how dirty the filter gets. Hey guys, how's it going? So, we're going to compare the differences between this guy and this guy. I've been using this guy for about a week now, and this guy for over a month, so we'll see how dirty these filters are. So before we do that, please smash the like button, it really helps this channel out. Also, if you're new to my channel, my name's Nathan, and I do a lot of head-to-head challenges with air purifiers, robot vacuums, window cleaners, you name it, any type of cleaning product. Alright, let's go ahead and start with this guy and see how dirty the filter is. Both these guys are really easy to change out the filter. Just from the bottom here, just give it a good twist, and the bottom pops out. So here's a quick look at the air filter, just from a less than a week of use. So sometimes what you don't see is the small microns up to, I believe, 0.3 in size, so it's really small. So that's one thing you may not be able to see on camera. Now let's go ahead and check this guy out. It's the same thing, just give it a good twist. Let's see if we can get up close here. It does look like there's a little bit of dirt. It's kind of hard to tell, but I believe it's just a tiny dust particles that these air purifiers capture. Okay, so that was just a quick look at the two air purifiers. This guy's been running for about a month, and this guy has been running less than a week. Alright, have a great rest of your day.